Hey everyone, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my January lineup. I'm not sure if I went over this week, but we're gonna go over it anyways because I don't remember, because this is December 26th through the 1st. So I am going to be using the, what's it called? The Midnight Kit. So stinking cute. I have like the doodles and the fashion in there. I did pull out the gold and champagne lights, which I don't remember when this video goes up, but this is getting restocked, which is nice. So if you missed this or you want to get some extras, it's either restocked already or going to be restocked like tomorrow. I don't remember, but yeah, I'm going to be using that. I have some Sadie stickers, confetti cluster deco, just a couple pieces. I was like, let's use her up. I have the Scroll Prince Co. my shop, bucket list, which those are in shop, so if you want to pick those up, but it just has like New Year's Eve bucket list items. And then I also have the quote boxes that are in the shop. I also bought these because these are like super cute from Planner Choco New Year's quote boxes, and they're like retro, so I figured I would pull those out and see if I want to use those as well. And then I do have 2 sheets from Once More with Love. This is the 2020 New Year's deco, and then the New Year's Eve countdown. I figured I could use some of these through the spread. And then I also have these from my shop. This is 352 and 353. And I think that there's another one. That's another colorway, but this is like the gold and the pink, which are perfect to kind of sprinkle through that spread. So again, that is Midnight from my shop, and I am in love. And then I have this kit here. And I think this is going to be the week that I take down Christmas decorations. I haven't fully decided, but I just figured I wanted to use like an extra Christmas kit, and I thought that could be my reasoning. Not that I need a reasoning, but you know how it is. You know how it is. So for this kit, I'm using Wonderful, and this is a reformat of a photo kit. I also pulled out the doodles and the extra color. I wasn't sure if I would need the extra color, but we'll see. As far as foil goes, I did pull out the mixed metal of the matte bronze and matte silver. I'm pretty sure this sold out already. I'm not going to be restocking, I don't think, the shimmer. I haven't ordered it and I didn't plan to. But I do have another like design with matte silver and matte bronze. I'm pretty sure it needs to be collated, so maybe I'll prioritize that coming out. But I thought this was like the perfect combo for this kit. I have an extra sheet from when I used this, actually a couple extra sheets from when I used this last. I've used this a couple of times apparently. So I just pulled out all of the extras I had, so I'll use those up first. I like saving extras. It's like, could grab these from work, but I like to, use and figure it all out. Then I do have from Plana Hannah, I have Holiday Leaves in both the matte bronze and the matte silver. I thought that'd be really pretty with the kit. And then I also have the custom multis in the, I think this is like the November font, possibly. So you can't get this one anymore, but she has different fonts and you can get the custom multi. And these are just things that I use quite a bit. So I have a multi custom made of them. So that is everything that I plan to use with Wonderful, a Christmas kit in January. But also it's like a kind of a chillaxy Christmas one, so still cute. Then we have this here, which was the October mystery, and I am obsessed with this so much, and this is just gorgeous. So this was what the kit looks like. I'm obsessed. I love these colors. I love the art. As far as foil goes, I'm using the foil that I sent out with it, and it is the Sparkly Hollow Snowflake Bundle. I think that's just perfect. I think it also would look pretty with hollow, lavender hollow, silver, matte gray. Rose would be pretty with it too. And then I also have some quotes from Planner Choco. It's the winter quotes. So I thought those would be cute maybe to throw in there. So that is the October mystery, which I am obsessed with. The next kit I have in here is Prosperity for Lunar New Year week. And this is gorgeous. Oh, I just love the colors. The theme is also beautiful. I love all the food boxes. And then I do have, actually I have more stickers. Hold on. Where's my album? Oh, here it is. So I did pull out the Lunar New Year set from Maggie of Caress Press. I also have these too. Yeah, it's everything. Okay. And in the video, I said I wanted to use gold, and everyone was like, well, you should use red. So I'm going to mix them. I'm going to mix and match. I think that'd be really, really pretty. I just feel like, yeah, I like the red with it, but I feel like the gold is going to pop. So I want to mix them. So I think that's going to be a really fun time, and it's going to be gorgeous. And then I have 2 sheets from Once More with Love. I have Lunar Animals and then The Year of the Pig. I don't know if she's doing a new one. I think it's, is it The Year of the Rabbit? Question mark? So from 2019. I figure it still works. Like, I can still use all of the items. No big deal. So, perfect, perfect, perfect. Go back in there, please. Also, I didn't mention, but this whole situation, this is from Print Impression. This is a B6 planner with his sticker sleeve inserts. He calls them sticker protectors, but I think if you right sleeve, it still comes up too. And then this is the last week, which was January 23 to 29. And I am using the Frosty kit, which just released. And I just think it's gorgeous, gorgeous. I think this could have even went in to February. It is kind of like lovey and romantic looking. But I am using, wait, is this sparkly hollow? I thought I grabbed the silver one. Is there no silver one? I don't even know. Hold on, let me see. Is this silver? Yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. Now I'm like second guessing myself. Was that sparkly hollow? Yeah, okay. I just quickly, right before this video, grabbed this. I'm like looking. I'm like, is there anything else that I quite possibly could want to use? Like, this would be pretty too for mistletoe. But I think I want the snow. It's not going to snow here, but I just like pretending that it could. Yeah, I think that's my final answer. I have this too. This is like old. It's like similar stuff, but I don't think I need any of it. I have all of my stuff so organized. There's another silver one. Anyways, these are in shop. I think this is the version 2 because it has the like, well, it's like a little slightly different design, but it has the snow underlays. I just think that's gonna be really, really classy and beautiful to just use silver. But like I said, or maybe I said in the, I just filmed the new release video for this, so I don't know what I mentioned, but lots of different foils it could go with. But I think silver's classy. And then we have some silver quotes from my shop, winter quotes that I thought I could maybe pull 1 or 2 in. And then there's also, I pulled the doodles, extra color, fashions. Because you never know what I'd be feeling. So I want to have all of my options in here. And that's everything for this upcoming month. I really love it. We have some like more muted tones, some bright tones, all of the things, and I am pumped. Again, we have Midnight, we have Wonderful, we have the October Mystery, we have Prosperity, and then we also have Frosty. I don't remember the name of anything, let's be honest, y'all. So that is everything for this kit lineup. I hope y'all liked it. Let me know if we're using any of the same kits or if you have a better foil option that I should be doing. Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye.